Hi guys, welcome here to a sunny winter's afternoon in South Africa. Today we're going to do a bit of bush cooking again, and we're here at my home in Pretoria in our Braai area where we have a lot of socials and kuier time with our friends and family. So, believe it or not, it's a winter's afternoon. I'm in my shorts and my fellies and things can't be any better. So what do we need for our Braai Broodjies? We need, first of all, we need bread, white or brown depending on your liking. You need some onions, you need some cheese, tomatoes, some butter. Mayonnaise is always a winner. We need something hot for a kick for those that like it. We need some salt and pepper, and then lastly, that I always love to use, some rosemary. So I'm going to do the preparations quickly. We're going to move over to the fire. We're going to braai the broodjies on the fire, and it's quick and easy and very delicious. So we'll be back now. Hi, so we're back. I've done my preparation and now we're going to build our braai broodjies. So we need to follow. First we take our bread, we put them down on the breadboard. I'm going to make one for myself and one for my lovely wife. Then, first secret is, first you add your onions. So you have to pack them onto your bread, equally spaced. It's also very important to slice your onions nice and thin. If you slice it too thick, the bread is going to fall apart. Okay, put the white onions down. Put some red onions for some color, to make it interesting. A little bit stuck now. Okay, then you put your cheese. Very important to put your cheese in the middle, because the cheese is the holding base for the whole bread. It keeps everything together. Don't be shy with the cheese. You'll definitely be glad when the cheese is nice and thick on the bread. Okay, there we go. Then next one is our tomatoes. Pack them on. Also important, cut the tomatoes nice and thin. It will keep the bread together. You don't really want the double-decker hamburger. Alright, then something that's also very nice to put on is some onion sprouts. Give it a nice flavor. Because you already have a lot of onions on, you don't have to put that many. Just sprinkle it on for good coloring. Then mayonnaise. We like our mayonnaise, some other people may not. Chutney is also a big winner, so you can try that. You can try different ways and write to us and tell us what your secret ingredients. Then something to give it a bit of a kick. Just be careful not to, something that my wife made homemade, so don't put too much, just enough to give the taste buds a bit of a kick. And then lastly but not the least, some salt and pepper, also to your liking, and some good old rosemary from garden, just like that. Then we close them up and they're ready for the fire. So next we're going to put them in our braai grit, that's right over here. Remember to clean your braai grit, not to have any sand on it, otherwise you'll have a crunchy braai broodjie. and that's not what you want. You pack them nicely inside like this, close them up, make sure they're nice and tight, not going to fall out. And on the next video we'll be at the fire braaiing them. Okay, so here we are back at the fire. We're busy roasting our braai broodjies. They are nice golden brown color, perfect color you're looking for. Secret, not too close to the coals, and the coals can also not be too warm. You need medium to moderate coals, nice height from the coals, and remember to turn them quite often. As soon as the cheese is melted, then you know your braai broodjies are ready, and they can be served with any type of chops, sausages, boerewors, steak, fillet, potjie, doesn't matter what. It goes with everything. So we're looking forward seeing you guys next to the campfire, on one of our safaris, in the bush, under the big black sky or the blue sky, depending where you are. Remember to share and subscribe and like our social medias, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We're looking forward to see you guys. Cheers.